Good evening, parents. Welcome to Breed's Open House. My name is Mr. Correnti. I am one of the phys ed teachers here at Breed. I am here to give you a little explanation on how the phys ed piece is going to work for your child this year. As you've been watching your child learn so far, you've seen them learn through conferences, which are live, or Zooms, which are live. The phys ed piece is not a live class, it's a pre-recorded class, okay, that your child needs to complete at the end of the day. So after they complete all their other classes, maybe have lunch, they'll go back into Schoology, click on My Class, and open that up. Once they open up My Class, they will see the folders for the week. So whatever day of the week it is, they'll click on that day and they will see the assignment that I'm asking them to do for the day. Once that's open, they'll see three pieces to that assignment. The first piece is just a daily hello with a warm-up exercise for them to do in it. The second piece is a video demonstration. It's about 4 or 5 minutes long. It's of me or Miss Forgione demonstrating the activity. Okay, we'll show them what we want them to do. And then the third piece, they open it up, is an assignment. It's the written explanation of the video. And in the top right hand corner, you'll see a submissions button. If they click on that and create a worksheet, they can write me a response on how they did during that activity. Okay, so those are the three pieces they will do every day. Hopefully this explained what I'm asking you to do. If not, always can email me through Schoology and I'll get back to you very quickly. Keep in mind that some of these activities that we're asking them to do might seem a little crazy. Okay, we're using household items, being very creative, but we are getting them up. We're getting them moving. Okay, getting their heart rate going, and hopefully, as they're doing it, they're having fun with these exercises. Okay, have a great evening. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a good night. Bye.